last time on Get Lost Traveling. I've recently moved to Vietnam, and with Saigon as my home base, I've started traveling again. I'm solo traveling South Thailand.
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind. Struggle with dusty corners so we're filled with fatal bombs. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
And in this series of videos, I'm going to 6 towns and islands in southern Thailand for the next 4 weeks. I spent 5 days on Koh Samui and just arrived on Koh Tao yesterday. I'll be spending 6 days here, and in this video, I'll be going on a half-day boat trip for some island hopping and snorkeling. I'm also getting my scuba fins wet and doing some dives for the first time in nearly 3 years. It's going to be a blast, so come get lost with me. This morning, I have a boat trip planned. It's a snorkeling trip. It picks up at 9:30 and ends at 5 o'clock. I'm so excited. It's been a long time, and I actually haven't been in the water since I've gotten to Thailand. So let's get on the truck right now. Hello, how are you doing?
Cool. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
We're here at the pickup for the trip. There's a lot of people here. Definitely quite a few. So we're getting our wristbands. Okay, thank you. We are here and we're waiting for everybody to pick us up. So now we're headed to the boat. Wow, there's a lot of people too. It's like 40 something people. There's quite a few people around. Hey, say hi, Pat.
We're going snorkeling.
Yes, we are going snorkeling. It'll be fun today. Okay, so we're coming up on the boat right now, and it's one of those junket boats, I think. This is where we'll be going to for the dive. We'll be going to Nang Yung Island, Mango Bay, also the Hin Wong Island, and I think probably one of these two on the bottom here, because there's 5 locations, either Shark Bay or Ao Luke Bay. And this is where we're heading off of My Hat Pier. And there's a lot of people, a whole lot of people on this boat. There's gotta be like, I thought it was 60, maybe I would say about 80. We're exiting the boat right now. It's 2 hours on the island, the Nang Yung Island. And I guess you can walk all the way up to Vista Point, as well as go snorkeling off of the beach area. And here is the ticket to the island. It's 250 baht, which we had to pay on top of the 500 baht for the trip. So 750. Okay, so we are headed to the summit. It's gonna take about 15 minutes to get up there. 250 steps, and then another 15 minutes just to look at the sights, and then 15 minutes back down, so it should take about 45 in total. Should be fun. These are the steps. 250 from this point on, I guess. We're slowly getting up there. Oh, there's a line to get up there. I think we're close to the top. It's a rush hour here. There's a little bit of a traffic jam up there. So everybody's gotta, yeah, I think we're close to the top. There's definitely a bit of a wait. Right now we've been standing here for about 10 minutes. It's a wait getting up there. Maybe it would be a better idea to actually wait until the people have gone up and probably snorkel first. Almost at the top. Just a little bit climb. That was it. It was a really beautiful view. I would say it's definitely worth the little trek up. And just like that, we're back on the beach. Done with the swimming part. Now we are headed back to the boat. And I think we're gonna also have lunch on the boat as well.
Egg, yeah, so egg 5 for you. Like that. Okay. Egg 6.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, thank you. So this is just a very, very simple meal. We got some egg, rice, chicken, and fresh cucumbers. It was just raining a little while ago, and it's kind of cleared up where we are right now. But unfortunately, because of the change in weather, we're not going to a few of the locations. We're probably just going to the last 2 locations and do dives from that point. It's still kind of sprinkling a little bit. The weather is definitely dictating what we're going to be able to do, and we're able to do a lot less. Okay, now we got here and it started raining. Come on. We finished up at Freedom Bay, and now we are headed to the next location, which I'm not sure where it is, but I think it is Shark Bay that we're headed over to right now. Okay, so unfortunately this is the last location. We are at Shark Bay, and I think because of the conditions, we're just here for another hour, and at about, I think, 4:30 we're heading back to the pier. And here there's going to be supposed to be some sea turtles, and so hopefully we can see it. And unfortunately there's just no diving because it's a little bit too shallow here. Here they're calling people in, so it's almost time for people to be heading back. This is the last spot. We're about to head back to the pier, and I think from that point on we're heading back to the hotel. It was fun. It was kind of weird though. I thought it might have been not as fun because of the large group and stuff like that, but I actually met a lot of people, and it was a really good experience overall. Yesterday, went to the dive shop and found out that they were having a refresher course that was starting not too soon after I got there, and so I actually hopped on that. Here's a little small clip of some of the stuff that happened yesterday. No underwater stuff because it was a refresher course, and it would be a no-no for me to bring a camera down and shooting while I'm supposed to be really learning how to dive again. Okay, so finished the second dive, and it looks like it's about to rain. I didn't really do much afterwards. Just went and got some food, and that was pretty much the end of the day. So good. Beautiful. Next time on Get Lost Traveling. I'm going scuba diving today. Then afterwards, gonna try some popular foods on the island. And there's still so much more to do on Koh Tao over the next few days. This is all part of my 4 weeks travel in southern Thailand. If you're interested in following my journey, subscribe and turn on notifications for updates. Thanks for getting lost with me, and I'll see you on the next one.